Hi, good morning all. This is Ashish Yadav. I'm presenting my cross-platform application development assignment where I have developed a Flutter-based CRUD application using Back4 app for the database. So this is my front screen which I have developed. I was not able to uh, show this demo in Android Studio since it was making my laptop very slow and I was not able to record those things. So I'm using Visual Studio Code plus the Windows to demonstrate my application. You can see that it's a school sports lending application where a student will be logging in and will be registering for lending the sports items. So this will be their login page. If the user is already registered, I can show that some of the users I have already created. So these are the users which are already created. If they want to log in, they can log in and lend the sports item which is currently present in the stock. So let me go through how they can register. If any student want to register for it, they can go and click on this registration page and give their email IDs and register themselves. So this will be their home page where they will get back once they have registered for it. Then they can check what is the sports item currently there in the stock. You can see football, it's a outdoor game and having 12 quantity. Same way, all other things are displayed over here. From there, they can check the sports item and can lend the sports item which they want. This is the page where it will show what all items they have lended. Since I have created a new user, so there is no item till now. I can start lending the equipment. So this will be the place from where I can choose the item. I want to lend one table tennis bat. So I can select the date when I will be returning it. So due date will be 28th November. I can submit that request that will go to the admin and they will approve it. Same way I can lend multiple sports item. I can select the due date. Same thing over here. It will start reflecting. You can see if I refresh this page, I will get one more new user. So this is the user which got created, and in the loan section we can see what all items was borrowed by that person. That will show over here in the it's just like a log, like what all item has been loaned till now to the students. And this will be the sports item database which will show the quantity and what all items are present in the stock. So this is the name, their category, like it is a indoor game or a outdoor game, their description, the quantity which they are in available condition, and their condition, like how it good it is, their updation dates. So these are the database thing which stores the data of the equipments which are there with the school which they are lending to the students. Now I will be logging in as a here is the logout button. I will be logging in as a admin person who will be updating the records. Before that, I want to show that if some person who is not authorized wants to log in, what will happen? I'm giving a wrong information. So you can see that it will show as invalid if I type wrong password or wrong email ID. In that case, both the times it will show that same thing. So as a admin, I can add the new items over here. Uh, Let me add cricket bat. I can pick the image also of cricket bat. I have saved it in the asset folder. I can add it and add the item. So you can see the item was added successfully. Same thing we can do. We can refresh this page. We'll see that this item got added. Images are getting saved over here. So we can click and check the images of that item too. So this is the backend which we have created in Back4 app. This is the CRUD operation which is getting performed by student and by the admin. Now let me log out and show you if a student wants to lend some item and if they have lended any item, how they can return back. So you can see that two items were lended before. If I click on this return item, it will show as returned. Same thing, we can check this in our database loan section. It will show as updated returned item. So this was created for the table tennis bat and which is showing as returned. Now if I go to the code section, here is my complete code which has been developed in the Flutter. Its main file is this YAML file where it shows the environment dependencies, what all Flutter application we are using. All those details are over here. Then next is our main code, main files which are stored in lib. We can go to this main.dart. Here we are importing all these applications which will be used, the services which will be used. You can see that this is the main page where here I have defined all the routes where it has to go, like login, register, home, loan, the place where the loan has to be added, the sports item, the sports item which will be getting added. All those will be called from these functions. And this is for user login home screen and login screen. So this is the code written in the main.dart file. Same way, eh, for services, we have authenticated service, loan service, and sports item service, seed data service, like that. Different services are made, and these are the screens where the student and the admin will be seeing the pages, what has to be displayed over there. Thank you. I will be uploading this video. Thank you for your time.